So good afternoon everybody. Myself Acharya Vishvendra, and today I shall be speaking on optimization of mind-brain algorithms. Now before I start speaking on the main topic, just make sure that you are free of every distraction for at least 10 minutes so that you can completely grasp the technicalities that I am going to discuss. So let's first understand what is a mind-brain algorithm and why we need to optimize it. For that, sit in a comfortable position, take a deep breath and relax yourself. Just freely observe yourself, your eyes, your ears. Observe what you are hearing through the left ear, then right ear. Observe through left eye, then right eye, so that you are free from any thought and are able to grasp what I am going to say. Till now you must have realized that consider this is you. So what you consider as you is just the brain plus the mind. Brain is at the physiological level, or that you can prove by physical laws, and mind is metaphysical. Metaphysical means it is beyond every physical dimension. There is no experiment which can prove that mind exists, because its size is, you can say that it's beyond the limit of resolution of every analytical instrument that humans have ever discovered till now. May be possible in the future to verify it, to know it, but till now there is no instrument whose limit of resolution can measure up to the mind itself. So we are just limited by the constraints of the scientific development till now. Now the question is that what is an algorithm? So let's start with an example. Suppose I ask you a very simple question that how many seconds are there in a day? You just solve this question. I hope you have calculated that it is equal to 86400 second. So 1 day is equal to 86400 second. Now just observe with an unbiased mind that what you did to get this relation. So when I asked you this question, the first thing that might have came to your mind was relating day and second. Your mind has started searching the information relating day and second. Then you must have found a relation that 1 day is equal to 24 hours, but still it's not related to second. Then you must thought that 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. Then fourth step is 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. There you get the key. So you can connect from step 1 to step 4. And then you must have done like 1 day is 24 hours, which is 24 into 60 minutes, which is 24 into 60 into 60 seconds. And then calculation is 86400 second. So your mind-brain system followed certain steps, including a triad of 3 mutually exclusive dimensions of information, process and energy. And using these 3 things, you have come up to the answer that 1 day is equal to 86400 second. So the entire process, after I asked you the question and before you give the answer is the mind-brain algorithm. And everybody is using that algorithm. Every species, even animals, they use algorithms to know what should be done. They are constantly interacting with their surrounding and with the mind-brain algorithm to decide what should be done instantly so as to survive. For example, you must have seen in any locality there is a group of dogs which are all related and which dominates the entire area. So when they bark, then it's a signal to every dog of that particular group to get collected. And if some new dog come to the area, then all of them will try to make him move away from from their area. So they are playing as a team players and certainly being connected by a algorithm that connects all of them, leading to mutual benefits of existence. Similarly, take example of any human group. Resources are provided by the nature. It's not anybody's monopoly to control the resources. Certain group of people have utilized resources and developed ecosystems, developed systems that can generate name, fame and respect. And all of them also work like dog, like a group of dogs. They all are connected and are concerned with their mutual benefits. And they make sure that what they do is only to benefit their group. If some other person from an external group tries to enter into their domain, they will vanish him. So this algorithm pervades at every level of organisms, maybe dogs, maybe cats, maybe rats, maybe monkeys, maybe lions, maybe anything. But one thing is sure, there are common benefits involved with that certain group. And this is what life is. Let's be very frank to accept the truth of life rather than being trapped in emotions and right and wrong and this and that. Just observe things which are happening, not what should happen. So if we think globally, then we can say that everybody is under the influence of certain algorithms which are primarily concerned with survival and reproduction. So a common person has thoughts or maybe desires or maybe instincts which supports his survival and reproduction skills. That's why we talk big in front of others. You must have seen people boasting a lot about higher dimensions of life, but when they are caught, there are scandals involved, then they are found to be even more trapped in physicality, being more trapped in sex scandals and all those things which they neglect or which they try to suppress in front of others. So that means fundamentally survival and reproduction dominates every organism. You can talk big in front of other people just to impress them, but realization of that and escaping the basic desires, the basic instincts which are called, is a tough job. And those who have learned how to escape the basic instincts, they don't need to say it to anybody. They just are busy with their life, contemplating higher dimensions of consciousness and are in a certain state of transition from the basic instinct to the higher instincts of life. They don't need to say it to others. And as per the theory of psychology, if you talk about something, maybe in its favor or against it, that means internally you still are attached to that thing. So at the very basic level, the mind-brain algorithms are supported by physicality, survival and reproduction. If you dare to think beyond the basic things, beyond survival and reproduction, then you will face resistance from your own mind-brain system. That I'll continue in the next video.